My beloved child, come here. I know how waiting has worn you down, not just waiting for things, but waiting for life to begin again, waiting for joy to return, waiting for something to finally make sense. I know how delay has made you feel forgotten, how time has whispered to you that you are late, that you missed your moment, that what you hoped for may never come. Look at me, what you are waiting for is not late. It only feels late because you are tired. It only feels late because you have been carrying this season alone in your heart. But in my eyes, nothing concerning you is out of place. I am not behind, and neither are you. I have been with you in every quiet moment, when prayers felt unanswered, when hope felt fragile, when you wondered if believing again was worth the pain. I saw the nights you questioned yourself. I saw the mornings you got up anyway. I saw the strength you didn't know you still had, and I never left. Sometimes I delay what you desire, not because I am withholding, but because I am protecting. I was guarding your heart. I was healing you in ways you could not see. I was preparing you to receive what would not destroy you, but complete you. You did not miss your time. You did not disappoint me. You did not fall behind my plan. Rest now. As your Father, I lay my hand upon you and bless you. I bless your heart with peace, the kind that quiets fear and settles the soul. I bless your waiting with purpose. It will not be empty or wasted. I bless your future with gentleness. It will not arrive in chaos, but in calm assurance. I bless your spirit with renewed hope, hope that does not hurt to hold again. Breathe, my child. Let go of the pressure to hurry. Let go of the fear that time is running out. Let go of comparing your life to others. You are exactly where I can reach you. Exactly where I can restore you. Exactly where I can lead you forward. What is meant for you will come, not late, not rushed, but right on time. Stay here with me for a moment. Feel my presence. You are not lost. You are being led. If this word has touched something deep inside you, don't rush away. Like this video as a quiet act of trust. Share it with someone who feels lost and weary from waiting, and subscribe to Revelation Media, so I can keep speaking life, healing, and hope into your heart, one day at a time. My beloved child, what you're waiting for is not late. And neither are you. White Heart.